Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S4 Turbo versus Supercharger. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each forced induction system, helping you understand their impact on performance and driving feel. We'll delve into how superchargers deliver immediate power and how turbochargers achieve impressive efficiency and higher output. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what makes each system unique in the Audi S4. Superchargers, like those found in earlier S4 models, are directly connected to the engine via a belt. This mechanical link means they provide boost almost instantaneously, eliminating any noticeable lag. You'll experience a very linear and predictable power delivery, making for a smooth and responsive drive. The 3.0-liter V6 supercharged engine typically delivers 333 horsepower, offering robust performance right off the line. Turbochargers, featured in more recent S4 iterations, harness the energy from exhaust gases to force more air into the engine. This design often leads to improved fuel efficiency compared to superchargers. While older turbos had noticeable lag, modern advancements have significantly reduced this, delivering strong power, especially in the mid-range and at higher RPMs. The 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged engine typically produces 349 horsepower, offering a powerful and efficient driving experience. Ultimately, the driving experience differs between these two systems. The supercharged S4 provides a very direct and immediate throttle response, feeling strong from the moment you press the pedal. The turbocharged S4, while having a slight initial delay, delivers a powerful surge and often feels more potent at higher speeds, alongside better fuel economy. Both offer fantastic performance in the Audi S4, but your preference for instant linear power versus a more efficient, surging power delivery will guide your choice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.